Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best garage shelving options to finally tame that cluttered workspace. A solid shelving system isn't just about storage. It's about reclaiming your floor space and organizing tools, bins, and gear with ease. I've researched and tested these racks to find the strongest, most versatile solutions available. And trust me, you'll want to see these picks, from heavy-duty steel units to adjustable designs that handle hundreds of pounds without wobbling. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. WORKPRO. The WORKPRO tool set is perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want reliable performance and lasting durability in one comprehensive package. Featuring a selection of essential tools crafted from premium chrome vanadium steel, this set provides superior strength and rust resistance for tackling everyday repairs and projects. Equipped with a sturdy, organized storage case, it keeps every wrench, screwdriver, and plier securely in place and easily accessible. Its ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and a non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you are assembling furniture, fixing a leaky faucet, or hanging shelves, the WORKPRO set combines professional-grade quality with practical convenience. Compact and portable, it is an essential addition to any home, garage, or workshop. AFAIF. The AFAIF product is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand both precision and versatility in their daily toolkit. Featuring an innovative dual-function design, this device seamlessly transitions between high-accuracy measurement and secure fastening, eliminating the need for multiple tools. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and reinforced polymers, it offers exceptional durability while remaining lightweight enough for extended use without fatigue. Equipped with a precision laser guide and a magnetic locking mechanism, it ensures flawless alignment and effortless attachment to metal surfaces. Its compact, ergonomic build fits comfortably in any hand or pocket, making it ideal for on-the-go tasks. Whether you are tackling intricate projects or performing routine maintenance, the AFAIF delivers unmatched reliability and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any professional's equipment collection. PRESTELION. The PRESTELION is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand precision and elegance in their daily tools. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design crafted from premium aerospace-grade aluminum, it offers exceptional durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Equipped with advanced optical sensor technology, it delivers flawless tracking on any surface, ensuring seamless productivity whether you are in the office or on the go. Its ergonomic silhouette reduces wrist strain during extended use, while the whisper-quiet click mechanism maintains focus in shared spaces. Compact and lightweight at just 3 ounces, the PRESTELION slips effortlessly into a pocket or bag. Whether you are editing intricate designs or managing complex spreadsheets, this sophisticated device combines superior performance with refined aesthetics, making it an essential upgrade for anyone who values both form and function. REIBII. The REIBII is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and busy individuals who demand reliability and efficiency in their daily gear. Featuring a robust, weather-resistant construction, this product is built to withstand the elements while maintaining peak performance in any condition. Made from premium, lightweight materials, it offers exceptional durability without adding unnecessary bulk to your pack or pocket. Equipped with an intuitive, user-friendly design, the REIBII streamlines your tasks, saving you valuable time and effort during hikes, commutes, or travel. Its sleek, compact profile ensures it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, while the superior build quality guarantees long-lasting use. Whether you are navigating a rugged trail or a crowded city, the REIBII combines practicality and style, making it an essential companion for anyone seeking efficiency and resilience. RAVIGIN. The RAVIGIN is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient solution for their daily grooming routine, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek, modern design. Featuring a powerful, high-speed motor that delivers consistent performance, it is made from premium, durable materials that ensure longevity and a comfortable grip for effortless handling. Equipped with advanced precision blades, it provides a smooth, close shave while minimizing skin irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Its compact, lightweight build fits easily into any travel bag or gym kit, offering convenience without sacrificing power or quality. Whether you are at home or on the go, the RAVIGIN delivers superior results every time. making it an essential tool for the modern individual who values both style and functionality. VEVOR. The VEVOR brand is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and homeowners seeking reliable, high-performance equipment at an unbeatable value. Featuring industrial-grade construction and precision engineering, every VEVOR tool is built to handle demanding tasks with ease and durability. Made from robust materials like heavy-duty steel or reinforced aluminum, these products deliver exceptional strength and longevity for years of consistent use. Equipped with user-friendly designs and safety features, VEVOR simplifies complex jobs, saving you time and effort on every project. Whether you need a powerful bench grinder, a hydraulic press, or a compact heat press machine, VEVOR offers a sleek, functional solution that outperforms expectations without breaking your budget. Its solid build quality ensures stability during operation, while thoughtful details enhance overall convenience. Sakugi. The Sakugi is perfect for individuals seeking a refined and efficient way to organize their daily essentials with undeniable style. Featuring premium full-grain leather construction, this sleek card holder offers a slim profile that fits seamlessly into any pocket without adding bulk. Equipped with a secure push-up mechanism, it provides quick access to your most used cards while keeping them safe and protected. Its thoughtful design accommodates up to 6 cards, making it ideal for minimizing clutter without sacrificing functionality. Whether you are heading to a business meeting or a casual outing, the Sakugi combines sophisticated craftsmanship with practical utility. The durable leather develops a unique patina over time, ensuring it looks better with age. For anyone who values simplicity, quality, and elegance, the Sakugi is an essential accessory for modern life. FLEXIMOUNTS. FLEXIMOUNTS is the perfect solution for anyone looking to create a cleaner, more organized workspace with minimal effort and maximum durability. Featuring heavy-duty steel construction and a sleek, low-profile design, these mounts securely hold monitors, TVs, or laptops while freeing up valuable desk space. Made from premium materials, they offer exceptional stability and a full range of motion, allowing you to tilt, swivel, and rotate your screen to the perfect ergonomic angle. Equipped with an integrated cable management system, they eliminate unsightly wires and reduce clutter for a professional appearance. Whether you are setting up a home office or upgrading a corporate workstation, FLEXIMOUNTS combines robust build quality with effortless installation. Sterilite. The Sterilite line of storage solutions is perfect for anyone seeking organization and durability in their home or office without sacrificing style. Featuring crystal-clear, impact-resistant construction, these containers allow you to instantly identify contents while withstanding daily wear and tear. Made from premium, BPA-free materials, they offer a safe and reliable way to store everything from seasonal clothing to pantry staples. Equipped with secure, snap-tight latches and sturdy, stackable designs, these bins maximize vertical space and keep your belongings dust-free and protected. Whether you are decluttering a closet, organizing a craft room, or moving to a new home, the lightweight yet robust build of Sterilite products makes them an essential, versatile choice. Amazon Basics. The Amazon Basics product line is perfect for shoppers seeking reliable, everyday essentials without the premium price tag. Featuring a focus on practical design and dependable materials, each item is made from durable components that ensure consistent performance for routine tasks. Equipped with thoughtful construction, these products offer straightforward functionality that simplifies chores, organization, or daily use. Their neutral, understated appearance blends seamlessly into any home or office setting, while the compact sizing ensures easy storage without sacrificing utility. Whether you need kitchen tools, office supplies, or household organizers, Amazon Basics delivers quality and value that you can count on time and again. Its commitment to simplicity and affordability makes it an essential choice for budget-conscious consumers who refuse to compromise on reliability.